Hello Rick, greetings of the day. My name is Rupesh Yuteja Konkalla. I have done the assignment 2 on the social data mining techniques using the social data mining techniques. Coming to the next slide. The requirements of the projects are as below. There should be a minimum two social media platforms, which among them I have chosen the Reddit and the Twitter. We should build an interactive web application as per the preferred language. So the language which I have used for or based upon my comfortability, I used the Python. And for data storage and displaying the platforms, I have chosen like the MongoDB for the data storage, which is a cloud database and easy to do the web level applications. An interactive dashboard that which I'll be explaining in the later slides, real-time data posting, and I will be running the code and I'll explain in a minute. So the platform chosen, as I mentioned, like the Reddit and the Twitter. These are the two platforms. I thought of doing the other one, but couldn't get the chance, so I have taken on these two, the Reddit and Twitter. The technologies used here are the for the UI. I have taken the HTML, CSS, and the framework of Python is the Flask framework, which is used for the web development, and the language which is used for all the coding purpose is used is the Python with the help of the Visual Studio. I have run the Python in the Visual Studio, and the backend database for storing the Twitter web scraping data and pulling up the results. I have used both. I have for both. I have used the MongoDB. Code snippets have taken a few code snippets to understand to help to present it better. Here I have chosen the main file is the my main file is the app.py file, and also have taken two files individually, one for Reddit and another for Twitter py files and the class files. Those are, and the four HTML files which I'll be explaining and showing in later. One for visualizing the Twitter and one for visualizing the Reddit. One is index page and the one is the thank you page. These are the four HTML files and one for Python and one for Twitter and one main class file. The left side of the code which is used is the routing part, the Reddit posting and the storage, and the right side of py file is for the Reddit Twitter posting and the capturing the file data from it. This is the Twitter py and the Reddit underscore sn py files. This piece of code will have the connection strings. Here this I have for security purpose I made this portion. I have hidden this portion, and also here as well for the security purpose I have made this portion as I hide this portion. This also I'll be explaining the code while I'm running the code. These are the code snippets, and this is the thank you slide and the landing page and the thank you slide HTML pages, and this web application. Coming to, I have taken the screenshots of my web application which I have developed. This is my dashboard, a landing page where the index.html will display once we run the code. I have made the Twitter and the Reddit images as in hyperlinks. So once we click on Reddit, it will directly go to Reddit like this. And once we click on the Twitter, it will go to this Twitter landing page. So from here we can just make Reddit postings. Once we click on the title or something, whatever we like, and the message which we want to post it on the Reddit, we can just directly make it and type it from it here. Just send a message from the Reddit here. And the similarly for the Twitter, we have done it. We can just post it and send a message here. And this is my thank you slide, which I just make for mark you one. I mean, like the thank you. And the video link I'll be adding in after this one, and I'll be sending the PPT. And the reference link is this. I'll be explaining the code now. So as I mentioned earlier, these are my two py files, and this is a app.py file, and this is the 4 HTML pages. Here coming to my app.py file, I have chosen the routing. So this is the dots reddit slash reddit where in the URL where which I would like to define it. Once I go to index.html page, I have taken the port as 5000, which is universal port, and the uh, normal slides of the logo and all. I have made the coding according to that. So coming back, this is my routing slash reddit. For the class reddit underscore assign class, I have created an instance and called this value function. And once the value function, everything the data, we got the data, we should the data should return to the reddit underscore. Once we click on the from index page, it should go to reddit underscore index.html, and the post functions for that particular previous one, and the post get and post methods which I have written. Here are the title and the message which we saw in the previous one. And similarly, the routing will happen for the Twitter as well. The slash twitter.one, and the same functionalities like the Twitter instance of the Twitter class and the value one function, but slighter modifications in the py files that I will be explaining in a minute. And this is the main class. This is used for the data capturing, and this is used for the posting the Twitter apps. The similar way for Reddit and Reddit capturing posting. Coming to the twitter.py file. This is my connection. This is the MongoDB connection strings. And this is the Twitter underscore main underscore table is the table name. Social mining underscore db is the database name. And the connection strings. So using this connection only we can once after I created the required authentications, I got the access token, access keys and all from the TWP package manager. From the I have taken the authorizations and passed the my API key and API secret key values and saved it in a variable. Once that is done, I have made the values and called the required parameters. For my data model, I have chosen the Twitter ID, the full text source where it is coming, and create a timestamp at what time would be the one, and one post. If it's this portion is like if it's there, it should drop off, and else it should go to this. It should create one post, so that whenever you run it, every time it gets redropped and it creates it again. This is for posting. The last piece of code is for the posting the tweets into Twitter. The similar way, now the reddit underscore assign. I have downloaded the required packages. The same as I have used both MongoDB for both the Reddit and the Twitter. This is my connection string. Here I have used the user agent and the client application ID and the password username. Rupesh945 is my Reddit user ID, so that is the one I have used here. And the same functionality, just a slighter modifications like the drop and the function in a different may have methods I have written here. And the same function like data insert, data reddit underscore data is the table variable which I have taken from here, and the insertion will happen, title message and all. Next, this is also the similar way which I've shown, is which is used for the posting. Those are the two API two files, and this is the main file, and this is the index.html file where I have written the port for 5000. I have written for Twitter and Reddit, and the normal HTML tags like social data mining and all. This is the Twitter index.html file, and this is the social data mining techniques and the reporting the normal tweets which I have made modifications according with my tags that are required. I have used the templates of few templates from Axon, and I made it as a reference. This is the Reddit one HTML page. This here also I have used normal slides and normal H2 heading tag and normal paragraph division style and all color and all. I have made modifications accordingly. And the thank you slide is the background image. Just I have made the hyperlinks for everything similarly which I have done for the HTML pages. So this is my code. So I'll try running the application now. The port I have defined is 5000. This is my landing page. I'll go to Reddit first. Proverb always choose your path in the right way. Message, and this is the marquee tag which I have written like social. Thank you for helping us to explore the social data mining techniques, Rick. So just I thought of having it in this way. So let me go to my Reddit account. Let me try to refresh. Always choose your path in the right way. This is the one. So let me go to the MongoDB. Try to refresh it. And I think it's not refreshed as of now. So let me come back to Twitter and post. Let me come back to my dashboard and post a tweet to get the data refreshed. Time is money. Turn to homepage. Feed. Time is money. Let me go to the MongoDB. I think just coming up. Before there is no table, but now it came. So I'll try stopping the application server once and try running up. Yeah, time is money, don't waste it. This was my last proverb here. Time, always choose your path in the right way. Time is money. Time is money, that should pop up. I refresh the page. And we could see time is money. From the Reddit underscore table one, we could see the proverb always choose your path in the right way, which is my latest one. And from the Twitter side, they should be the time is money, and the time is money, that is the latest one. The time is money. I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you so much for giving me this golden opportunity.